Alright, hi all. So it's a very, very, very exciting day. We have parts that come in. This is the fairing kit. It's the fairing kit for a bike. Oh, comes with a new windshield and everything. Alright. Ooh, and some skid plates for the tank. Oh man. Alright, so I will start getting this unboxed and I will start assembling parts on the bike and I will show you what it looks like. Alright, we got everything taken out of the box. Got the tank cover, fairings, front cowl, headlamp, sides, tails. These go on the inside and strengthen up the plastic around the. We got the front fender. It's all gonna go on there. So let's get this show on the road and get this started. All right. So we got most of the kit on. I had to rebend these things, the shock or mirror brackets, a lot. I had to basically use this as a guide to be able to get everything squared away. One thing we did notice, they don't sit well in the bracketry. So either the hole's drilled in the wrong spot, but it holds. It doesn't seem like it's going to do too much damage. The second thing, the back bracket back here, it's a little bolt back here. That one worked fine. I did have to grind down the original, just back plate, and then I had to create these little brackets up here to hold the front end. Again, you expect to modify stuff when you get, so I ended up getting some new bolts that fit in there. I just got these temporarily holding up right now. I have to get new bolts for that too. But a couple of those little plastic push pins for down here, and that should be able to close that up. So this kind of deterred me a little bit. So original tank, they give you this plastic cover, which it kind of fits, but it leaves kind of like this raised up just a little bit, and I don't like that. So I might just take the tank off, get it repaired, and since this is the color of the paint, bring this down and have them color match this. So this sits right here. So might just have this, doesn't look like it's too bad of damage, you know, little couple of spots here. Tack it and take it with a 5-pound hammer to pull it out. Other than that, I don't know what these holes are for. I'm guessing maybe if it had a luggage rack. I don't know if this model CBR came with a luggage rack, but if it did, let me know in the comments down below and I'll get one added. But other than that, this sits nice here, rides along the seat nice. Otherwise, we got the mirrors all mounted up. Those look nice. I have this one folded in so it fits in the garage. But other than that, yeah, just need a couple more screws, one down here that goes in, and then this, get another bracket down here to tie those two together. But I don't know, it's coming together. That turns. But I think I'm pretty much done here. I mean, all it is just miscellaneous hardware that I gotta find or acquire. But other than that, she looks badass right now, and I'm impressed with the kit. I mean, the big thing that it came with the windshield. That was the big thing. I was like, oh man, if it didn't come with one, I'd have to order one. But cleaning it up, take some pressure washer degreaser, get that rim back there. She should be up and ready to go. So thanks all for watching. Until I get another bike, maybe I'll make a update video on this, and we'll go from there. Till then, thank you for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.